If you want to become rich, you either marry somebody wealthy, you win the lottery, or you develop healthy financial habits. This video is about the habits that are silently keeping you poor, perhaps without you realizing it, and how to escape them before they bury your financial future. Let's get into it. This is Wealth Wisdom Daily, bringing you the best tips and tools for achieving financial freedom. Without further ado, 1. Paying yourself dash. When payday hits, what do most people do? They pay the landlord. They pay the bank. They pay the restaurant. They pay Nike. Then they check if there's anything left, and they're shocked to find nothing. That's because they paid themselves last. Flip it. Pay yourself first. As soon as your paycheck hits, skim off 10%, automate it if possible, and stash it away. Treat it like your most important bill, because in truth, it is. 2. Buy now, pay later. New phone, vacation, that luxury couch? Buy now, pay later is marketed as convenience. In reality, it's a debt trap. These companies aren't doing you a favor. They're counting on missed payments and raking in interest rates as high as 30%. If you can't afford it today, you probably shouldn't own it. 3. Living beyond your means. Just because you can afford a $35,000 car doesn't mean you should buy one. A $10,000 car gets you from point A to B just fine, and the $25,000 you save could grow to $500,000 in 30 years. Don't let your paycheck decide your lifestyle. Let your values decide it. 4. Just saving. Saving is good, but saving alone won't make you rich. You can't cut your way to wealth. There's a limit to how much you can save, but no limit to how much you can earn. So yes, pack your lunch, but spend that saved time building a skill, a side hustle, or negotiating a raise. Trim weeds, yes, but don't forget to plant new seeds. 5. Resetting, compounding. Every time you dip into your investments for big purchases, you're hitting the reset button on compound interest. Want proof? A 6% difference in returns, stocks versus real estate over 100 years, means the stock investor ends up 2,000 times richer. Let your compounding run uninterrupted. The big wins come later. 6. Postponing investing. You think you're too old to start? Too broke? Too busy? None of that matters. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Even small amounts, consistently invested, grow massively over time. Automate it. Forget perfection. Just start. 7. Failing to measure. You know your income, sure, but do you know your spending? Take a bucket, add water every month, your income. But the bucket never fills. Why? Because it's leaking. Expenses you never track. What gets measured gets managed. Start tracking, start fixing the leaks. 8. Keeping up with the Joneses. Your neighbor bought a Tesla? Cool. That doesn't mean you need one. Envy is a poverty trap. Every time you compare, you lose sight of your real goals. Wealth isn't flashy, it's quiet. Because true wealth is what you don't see. 9. Tax inefficiency. Benjamin Franklin said it best. Nothing is certain except death and taxes. But just because taxes are certain doesn't mean you should ignore them. Optimize. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Invest smart. And yes, prioritize increasing your income too. Don't spend 100 hours to save $100. Play bigger. 10th. Lifestyle inflation. You earn more. But somehow you still feel broke. Why? Because every raise comes with a new treat. A car, a bag, a bigger apartment. This is lifestyle inflation. It keeps rich people poor. If you save 10% at $30,000, save 10% at $60,000 too. Let your gap widen. That's where freedom lives. 11th. Emotional spending. Bad day? Online shopping. Bored, scroll, click, spend. You're not buying a thing, you're buying a feeling. But it fades. And your bank account doesn't. Practice delayed gratification. Buy with intent, not emotion. 12th. Not learning about money. Ignorance is expensive. Not knowing how credit works, how investing compounds, or how interest traps you It all adds up. Financial literacy isn't a luxury, it's survival. Start with one book, one podcast, one video, and never stop learning. Break these 12 habits, and you won't just stop being poor, you'll start building real wealth. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next one.